wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I already told you I was gonna make another round on the Sephora sale. If you guys do not know, it is going on right now. Rouge could start shopping last Friday. I believe VIB could start shopping today. So I was in Sephora last night and I picked up a foundation, a tint that's been in my wish list for a minute. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. So this is the Summer Friday Sheer Skin Tint with Hyaluronic Acid. This retails for $42 for 1 fluid ounce. Comes in 10 shades. Now because I did pick it up in person, I did swatch them in the store. At first I thought my shade might be 8. My Sephora app wouldn't is it focusing? Hold on. I don't think it was focusing just now, so a good thing I got up to check, because with my luck, I filmed the whole video, then sit down to edit it, and realize you can't see anything that I'm talking about. That's actually happened to me before. Since I was in store, I was able to swatch them, and what I was saying is I couldn't get the app to pull up so I could see what shade I saved in my cart. And I guess it's a good thing, because I originally thought in store that I was the shade 8, but then I was with Tasha and she swatched it on herself and it was kind of blending in with her. And if she can wear shade 8, I cannot, right? So I ended up picking up shade 9, which, what type of undertone does this have? Ooh, where's shade 9? It's rich deep with neutral cool undertones. And good thing, because I had shade 7 saved in my cart. A bad thing is, if I can wear shade 9, there's only one shade after this. You know what, let me just, so what do they say about this? A lightweight skin tint that layers beautifully for sheer to light coverage with a natural looking finish. Coverage is light, finish is natural, formulation is liquid. This lightweight skin tint adds a touch of sheer color and hydration. Its fluid formula helps diminish the look of redness, pores, and uneven skin. It layers beautifully for sheer to light coverage with a natural looking finish in flexible shades. Glide it on for a fresh, no makeup look. All right, so open it up, and this is what the packaging looks like. All white packaging. I usually don't like that because it's not gonna stay white. And then I guess just drop some on. It was kind of watery in the store. How many? That might be too much, but it's also supposed to be like natural and sheer, so okay. It's kind of soaking into the brush. I don't know if I like that. Okay. I think I might have put a little more product on this side than I did this one. Like, looking at it, it is a sheer product. You can definitely build it up if you want to. But I feel like this side, you see a little less dark mark or spots on my face as opposed to this side. Like, I feel like you can really see that one. And then of course I gotta blend out my forehead. It's not hard to do, you know, when you give yourself a new forehead, because, you know, technically my forehead goes all the way back here, but we gonna get it done. Okay, so this is what it looks with just the amount of product that I put on one application. Do I want any more? When cause I tested it out on my hand in the store yesterday, when I blended it out on my hand, it was really nice on the hand, blended really easily, and I feel like it's doing the same on the face. I just can't tell if I want any more coverage or not, because I am gonna wear concealer. That's enough. Okay, y'all, so this is it on my face. I know I'm supposed to wait till like later on in the day, but up close, I feel like it is giving velvet skin. And it's not that, you know, thick of a coverage. It's supposed to be like a natural finish. This is that natural finish. That natural finish that still makes me look like I did a little Facetune blur, just a little bit. But hello. Ooh. Okay, so it is 1:53. I'm literally running very late in this video, so I'm gonna go and check back in later so I can tell you guys what I think about this skin tint. Alrighty then, so it is, gotta clear these notifications first. 1 second, thank you. It is 6:50 and this is what my face is looking like. Again, I know it's a short wear test, but you know, that life just be life in, okay? But this is my face looks like up close. Okay, I'm not gonna pay attention to that, okay? Okay, I feel like she's had that chance to, you know, marinate on my face. You know when makeup's been on your face so like it looks fully cooked? I feel like that's what this is looking like. I'm starting to get oily in my T-zone, which is where I get oily because I have combo sensitive skin. But overall presentation, I feel like she's still kind of giving, it doesn't look like I've been wearing this for what, like 5 hours now? Something like that. And it's giving, you know, if anything, like maybe I left the house like an hour ago. At least to me, that's what it's looking like. Once again, just up close on the skin. Okay, she's real close there. I don't know, y'all. I feel like Summer Friday might have given us that natural, no makeup type look. Now, of course, I am wearing concealer, bronzer, blush, all that stuff so I could have a full face. But if you're the type like you just want a skin tint for that type of, you know, coverage so it looks like no makeup, they might have done exactly what needs to be done. And I've shown that you can do a full face if you want to, because it's giving skin. And that's what I'm trying to say by like it looks like it's marinated on my face, like the way it's, you know, moving and whatnot. I feel like it's giving just, you know, like your natural skin, no makeup, but I'm clearly wearing makeup type of look. I like this. I really like this. The foundations I've been wearing lately are the House Lab, the Chanel foundation, and it's looking like it's gonna be this one. I did use the Sheer Glow. Was it Sheer? Yeah, I used Sheer Glow for the first time a couple days ago. This foundation right here, I feel like she's at least a trier. Like if you were thinking of trying it, at least go ahead and try it out, because it's giving this could easily be an everyday thing. I feel like the packaging makes it very easy for travel. The formula, you see how it kind of came out that liquidy type thing, really blends in easily. It was easy to blend in on my face, easy to blend in on my hand. And the wear of it, I feel like if you're looking for a natural foundation, that's what this is going to give you. Chanel kind of gives me a little more coverage. I think like right out of the bottle, I feel like Chanel kind of gives a little more coverage. So I feel like if you're looking for that natural sheer, this is a tint, like you're looking for a tint, this one, absolutely on this one. Like I feel like she's giving skin, but you can still see texture. You can still, I like it. I like this. I'm wild about this because I didn't even know like Summer Fridays had complexion products. But we're also gonna ignore my chin area. Your girl has a lip that like touches down when she tries to eat, so that's product on my chin area. But yeah. Yeah. All right, y'all, so that is it for this tint, this foundation. I really like it. So if you were looking to see my thoughts on it, I would say at least go ahead and check it out. Let me know if you've tried this in the comments down below. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to check out. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.